r equals to 6. But r can't be minus 24 because r is a radius. So r equals to 6. Okay. Let's move on next. So now we have got r equals to 6. Major hurdle is solved. Now just quite simpler things remain. Volume of the sphere we have to find out. So 4 upon 3 into pi r cube. 4 upon 3 into pi is 3.14 into r cube is 6 cube. So you can solve this, you will get it 288. You can keep it pi also, yeah, you can keep it for some time, and in the end you can solve it for pi. That also you can do. I have done it directly. So even pi you can take it 22 by 7, but 22 by 7 won't work because there is no factor of 7, means 7 can't be no multiple of 7 basically over here. So that's why I have taken 3.14. So it becomes what? Okay, I have not solved for pi. I have kept pi as it is. So this 3.14 has no value. So it becomes 6 cube into 4 upon 3. 6 cube is 216. 216 upon 3 into 4. So 288 pi. Now volume of the sphere is what? 288 pi. Now volume of the cone is what? 1 upon 3 pi r square h. That is 1 upon 3 into pi. R is 12 into h is 16. So solve this again. So you will get 768 pi. This is the volume of the cone. So what is the water displaced? That is equal to the volume of the sphere. The volume of the sphere will be equal to the volume of the water because density of water is considered as 1. So in proportion of the cone, water displaced equals to, now we have to find the ratios of this sphere and the cone. So 288 upon 768, pi goes, so 18 upon 48 and 3 upon 8. So what proportion of water is displaced? It is 3 upon 8. This much water is displaced. It actually means the proportion of this volume of sphere to that of the cone is 3 upon 8. That's why 3 upon 8 water is displaced. Okay. So that is the answer. 3 upon 8 is the answer. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So, keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.